welcome to the third semi-final contest in the 2024 edition of the Connect Western Best Brain CWBB, which is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. Our sponsors: Best Brain Publication Limited, Heritage Christian College, BM Global Education and Travel Consult, Desk Technology Limited, Pella Mineral Water, and High Sense Ghana. Our partners: the Ghana Education Service and Anaje Choice Smart. CWBB, sharp and excellent. You are watching us on Onua TV. Onua TV is our media partner. My name is Albert Ababiu. For the third and final semi-final contest, we have three schools all seeking to pick the final slot in this year's finals of the CWBB. Woodbridge International School, New Pathways Academy, and Nana Katabra A Basic School, who were finalists last year. I will go over to the schools so the contestants introduce themselves. First, Woodbridge International School. Woodbridge International School is represented by
Master Jonathan Yankee
and Master Josiah Ando.
I wish you all the best, Woodbridge. New Pathways Academy is represented by
Moniki Shaipa.
Islam Timbila.
Moniki and Islam. You are welcome. Nana Katabra A Basic School is represented by
Blessing Area.
Benedict Nano.
Blessing and Benedict. You are welcome. Wish you all the best. Contestants, you've been here before. You are familiar with the rules. We will start with English in round 1. But for the avoidance of doubt, if you answer a major question correctly, you earn 3 points. A bonus correctly answered earns you 1 point. If it is incorrect, you lose a precious point. When we get to the parts in the rounds that we've named the tossing round, you earn 4 points if you answer correctly at the first attempt. That is the first attempt at answering the question I have read. If you get it incorrect, you lose a precious point. A school that comes in to attempt to answer is deemed to be doing so at the second attempt. If they get it right, 3 points. If they get it wrong, they lose a precious point. If the third school so wishes and would want to risk it and attempt an answer, they will be considered to be doing so at the third attempt. If they get it right, 2 points. If they get it wrong, they lose a precious point. For a bonus and toss-in question, you battle for it by ringing and alerting me with your bells. First set of questions, and for all questions in this round, you have 10 seconds, 1 attempt only. Preamble. Change the following from direct speech to indirect speech. Woodbridge, we asked him, "Are you ill?"
We asked him if he was ill.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. Tracy said, "I saw him at the mall."
Tracy said that she saw him at the mall.
That is correct. To you, Nana Katabra A Basic School. Jacob said, "I love chocolate ice cream."
Jacob said he loved chocolate ice cream.
That is correct. The next set of questions. Find the word which is nearly opposite in meaning to the word that I'll give in the sentence. To you, Woodbridge. We have to acknowledge his presence. The word is acknowledge.
Denounce.
Not denounce. To New Pathways Academy.
Ignore.
Ignore is correct. New Pathways. The victor received his belt after the fight. The word is victor.
The loser.
The loser is correct. To you, Nana Katabra A Basic School. What amused me was his name. The word is amused. New Pathways Academy.
What saddens me
That is correct. So I could have accepted, bored, but what you gave is correct. The third set of questions. Again, a preamble. What is the meaning of the following proverbs? What is the meaning of the following proverbs? Woodbridge. Fortune favors the bold.
This means a person who is bold and brave gets the luck, much luck.
Not luck. New pathways.
This means that those who are bold can get good things.
They are rewarded. To you, New Pathways Academy. The pen is mightier than the sword.
What is written is better than what is acted. Or what is written cannot be lost.
I'll take your first one. So what is written is better than what is acted. Basically mean written words are more effective than physical force. The answer you gave previously conveyed the same meaning. Nana Katabra A Basic School. One shouldn't miss the forest for the trees.
You should not miss a greater opportunity for a lower one.
Repeat.
You should not miss a greater opportunity for a lower one.
I will accept it. So focusing on small details that you miss the larger context. Again, the answer you gave carries that meaning. The fourth set of questions here. Explain the following idiomatic expressions. Woodbridge. His suggestion became the cherry on the cake.
Became acceptable or best of all.
So I'll take that. So the final thing that becomes something, that makes something perfect. Yours, New Pathways Academy. Let's put the competition on ice.
Postpone the competition.
That is correct. To postpone, on hold, suspend. Nana Katabra A Basic School. Our experiment went pear-shaped.
Was a failure.
That is correct. So, tossing. We've gotten to the tossing part. Listen to the preamble very well. The following verbs are obtained from the habits of creatures. What does it mean to say? That's the preamble. The following verbs are obtained from the habits of creatures. What does it mean to say? The first one. To ape. Nana Katabra.
To imitate foolishly.
To imitate foolishly. The second one. To fox. New Pathways Academy.
To behave,
Greedily.
to be a trickster.
I'll take the first answer. So, greedily, cunningly, a trickster. So that is correct. Remember, one attempt only. So I'll take the first attempt. The final one. To ram. New Pathways Academy.
To act innocently or...
That is incorrect. The correct answer. To drive or push into. To drive or push into. Social studies. Your major question. But a preamble to all schools. So I will read a statement and you tell me what that statement means. Or you give me a word that defines it. Yours, Woodbridge. I am an Edinkra symbol. I represent the supremacy of God. I symbolize deep religious character of Ghanaians. I always advise people to fear God and not human beings. Who am I?
Jenyame.
Jenyame is correct. New Pathways Academy. I am a body. I am associated with governance. I ensure that policies are formulated and duly executed. Without me, the government cannot be complete. Who am I?
The legislature.
No. Who rank next? I heard the bell of Nana Katabra.
The judiciary.
No. It's the executive branch or arm. I ensure that policies are formulated and duly executed. To you, Nana Katabra, I regulate the behavior of people in a particular local government area. My powers do not go beyond a particular municipality. I pick my strength from the supreme law called the Constitution. Who am I? Bonus, new pathways.
The District Coordinating Council.
No, the answer is bylaws. Bylaws. The next one, a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Define the following terms. To you, Woodbridge, energy.
Energy is the ability to do work.
That is correct. So the ability to perform or complete any type of work. Essentially, your answer speaks to that. Yours, New Pathways Academy, energy conservation.
This is limiting the amount of energy you use so that you can use it in the future.
Sure, correct. So it's basically the process of preventing wasteful energy. So if you limit it, you are preventing wasteful energy, especially to ensure continuous availability. Essentially, your answer speaks to that. You are correct. Energy consumption, Nana Katabra A Basic School. Energy consumption.
Energy consumption refers to all the amount of energy which is consumed over a period of time.
Well, I'll give you the mark. So the energy used to perform an action, something by households, factories. So basically, I'll give you that mark as well. Preamble. Identify the strands in social studies under which the following sub-strands are found. Did you get it? Yours, Woodbridge, financial and investment issues.
Socio-economic development.
Correct. New Pathways Academy, tourism.
Socio-economic development.
Correct. Nana Katabra A Basic, independent Ghana.
Nationhood.
I will accept that. That is correct. The fourth set of questions. To you, Woodbridge, what name is given to the natural resources that can be salvaged and reused or converted to something new?
Recyclable natural resources.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. What name is given to natural resources which are present in unlimited quantity and are not likely to be exhausted by human activity?
Renewable natural resource.
No. For a bonus, Nana Katabra.
Inexhaustible energy resources.
For a bonus, the answer needs to be perfect. Inexhaustible natural resources. Yours, Nana Katabra. What name is given to natural resources that after exploitation can return to their previous stock levels by natural processes of growth and replenishment?
Renewable natural resource.
That is correct. For the next three questions, it is under the umbrella of tossing questions. First one. Which law in Ghana is known as the Interstate Succession Law? Nana Katabra.
PNDC Law 110.
That is incorrect. Woodbridge.
The PNDC Law 111.
That is correct. The next one. In which vegetation zone in Ghana do some of the trees shed their leaves in the course of the year? New Pathways.
Tropical evergreen rainforest.
No. Nana Katabra A Basic School.
Mangrove vegetation zone.
No. The answer is semi-deciduous forest or deciduous forest. The last one. What are the two main levels of government in Ghana? New Pathways Academy.
The central level and the regional level.
No. So it's the national and district. National and district. And that brings us to the end of the first round.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
At the end of round one, here are the scores. Nana Katabra A Basic School has 18 points. New Pathways Academy 21 points. Woodbridge International School 21 points. So you will all admit that it's a very closely fought semi-final contest, at least on the balance of what we've seen in round one. So round two, science. For a major question, the rules are the same. One attempt at answering. For the next set of questions, you have 15 seconds within which to give an answer. A preamble. A once fertile soil has lost its plant nutrients. Each school should give me one method that can be used to regain the fertility of the soil. You got the preamble. So if I come to you, you tell me one, and then I move to the next school. Do not repeat what has been said. I will start with you. New Pathways Academy.
By allowing the land to fallow.
That is correct. Nana Katabra A Basic School.
Mulching.
That is correct. Woodbridge.
Fertilizer application.
Fertilizer application. The second set of questions. What is the largest planet in our solar system called? New Pathways Academy.
Jupiter.
Correct. Which planet is closest to the sun? Nana Katabra.
Mercury.
That is correct. Which planet is the furthest away from the sun?
Neptune.
That is correct. So to you, New Pathways Academy, what name is given to the elements in group 8 of the periodic table?
Noble gases.
Noble gases is correct. Nana Katabra, what name is given to the element or metals in group 1 of the periodic table?
Alkali metals.
That is correct. To you, Woodbridge, what name is given to the elements in group 7 of the periodic table?
Halogens.
That is correct. One attempt only. 30 seconds to give an answer. A preamble. A rectangular block has side of length A, 4 centimeters, B, 2 centimeters, and C, 3 centimeters. Find the pressure the block exerts if, to you, New Pathways Academy, if a block of weight 96 Newton lies with the side B and C facing the floor.
$16 Pascal.
I will accept that. To you, Nana Katabra, If a block of weight 72 Newton lies with the side A and B facing the floor,
Six Pascal.
no, a bonus, Woodbridge.
9 Pascal.
9 is correct. Woodbridge, if a block of weight 84 Newton lies with the side A and C facing the floor,
7 Pascal.
that is correct. Preamble. State the class of lever the following machines belong. New Pathways Academy. Fishing rod.
Third class lever.
That is correct. Nana Katabra A basic. Nail cutter.
Third class lever.
That is correct. Paper cutter.
First class lever.
That is incorrect. For a bonus, New Pathways.
Second class level.
Second class is correct. So I will give some terminologies and then you will tell me what particular terminology I'm referring to. New Pathways Academy. It is the process of taking in food for it to be digested.
Ingestion.
That is correct. Nana Katabra. It is the process where undigested food comes out of the body through the anus.
Egestion.
That is correct. Yours. Woodbridge. It refers to the condition in which food is not properly broken down into simpler units in the digestive system.
Indigestion.
That is correct. So, we have 8 questions for the tossing. So, it's a round defining set of questions. The first one. In an experiment to demonstrate the presence of starch in a leaf, what is the expected color? Woodbridge.
Blue black.
Blue black is correct. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror. If the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is 70 degrees, what is the angle between the incident ray and the surface of the mirror? New Pathways Academy.
20 degrees.
No. Nana Katabra.
70 degrees.
No. The answer is 55 degrees. The next one. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be placed on the M shell of an atom? Woodbridge. That is correct. The next one. In a simple machine, what name is given to the applied force? New Pathways Academy.
Effort.
Effort is correct. The next one. What name is given to the sugary liquid substance? Nana Katabra.
Nectar.
Nectar is correct. When pure water is heated, at what? New Pathways Academy.
100 degrees Celsius.
That is correct. What type of fruit is the tomato? New Pathways Academy.
Berries.
Berry is correct. Name the gas that is given out during photosynthesis. New Pathways.
Oxygen.
Oxygen is correct. We go for a commercial break. We'll come back for our scientist round.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
Contestants, you can turn over your sheets so we read the problem our scientist has brought. A debate erupted among 5 pupils of Jesus Mary Memorial School on what actually happens to the lungs and diaphragm during inhaling and exhaling. As a young scientist with a vision of making the study of science fun and easy, what can you do to calm tempers down among these pupils? Your task, with the application of known concepts and available materials, design a model that can facilitate the pupils' understanding of the concept of inhaling and exhaling without any argument. The related task questions or related questions to the task. What organs were represented by the half-cut plastic bottle and the balloons inside of it? 2. Name any respiratory disease. 3. State 2 differences between inhaling and exhaling. Contestants, you can start work. You have 15 minutes to complete. Connect Western Best Brain CWBB 2024, powered by Pepsodent Ghana. The CWBB is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. Sponsors Best Brain Publication Limited, Heritage Christian College, BM Global Education and Travel Consult, Dex Technology Limited, Pella Mineral Water, and Hisense Ghana. Our partners, Ghana Education Service and Anaje Choice Smart. CWBB, sharp and excellent. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter Toothpaste. Every time we eat, food and sugars are trapped between our teeth, leading to tooth decay, gum disease, and in some cases, foul breath. Brushing your teeth every morning and night with Pepsodent Cavity Fighter gives your teeth the protection they need, leaving you with 10 times stronger teeth. Pepsodent Cavity Fighter is fortified with pro-fluoride and microcalcium ingredients, sealing tiny and invincible holes in your teeth. This prevents cavities, keeps your teeth strong and mouth healthy. Always remember to brush your teeth in the morning and before you sleep at night. Pepsodent has been educating Ghanaians on how to brush their teeth for 25 years. Pepsodent is recommended by the Ghana Dental Association. Pepsodent gives you the opportunity to talk to a dentist for free. You can call toll-free line 0800-161-000 to do so. You can get Pepsodent at any shop near you. Call our customer care center on toll-free line 0800 200030. Pepsodent, every smile matters. Desk Technology Limited. What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Desk Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? You can contact Desk Technology Limited on 024 540 7628 to find out how they can help you to provide the 21st century science education. You can also visit Desk Technology Limited on www.thescienceset.com today to see the list of Ghana's best private schools.
Best Brain Publication is an educational publishing firm with an in-depth knowledge in the new standard-based curriculum. We deliver quality content by investing in authorial skills and editorial refinement. Our team of experts have meticulously developed books in all subject areas.
Yes, I did it.
Dudu, how did you do it?
I use the best way book to connect the computer.
Oh, that's my ball!
All our books rest on 6 broad core skills: creativity and imagination, student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration and communication. For preschool, we have literacy, numeracy, phonics and writing. For kindergarten, we have literacy, numeracy, our world and our people, creative arts, phonics, writing and picture reading. For basic 1 to 6, we have mathematics, science, English, our world and our people, computing, history, religious and moral education, creative arts, Asante Chi and Equiapim Chi. For basic 7, 8 and 9, we have mathematics, science, religious and moral education, social studies, creative arts, career technology and computing. And we also have questions and answers for all subjects. We have provided links and QR codes under the various topics in our books to link to the world and find out what other people are also learning. Contact us on 0507 200 200. Best Brain Publication. Tomorrow's education today.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Contestants, so you were to, with application of known concepts and available materials, design a model that can facilitate the pupils' understanding of the concept of inhaling and exhaling without any argument. If you were able to do that, you earn 5 marks. The related questions to the task: what organs were represented by the half-cut plastic bottle and the balloons inside of it? Name any respiratory disease and state 2 differences between inhaling and exhaling. Contestants, it was a struggle for all 3 schools. You were to build, or from what you had been given, build a structure of the human respiratory system. All of you went as far as halfway through the process. You were unable to design or present the structure that would illustrate the diaphragm. You were unable to do that. However, you were able to present some answers to questions 2 and 3. Name any respiratory disease. You were able to do that. And then the differences between inhaling and exhaling, that one also you were able to do that. To specific grading, New Pathways Academy and Nana Katabra A Basic School, you ended up with 6/10 And then Woodbridge International had 7/10. So at the end of round 2, here are the scores. Nana Katabra A Basic School has 24 points. Woodbridge International, 31 points. New Pathways Academy, 40 points. So after 2 rounds, the scores put together brings us to this. Nana Katabra A Basic School, 42 points. Woodbridge International School, 52 points. New Pathways Academy, 61 points. Contestants, it is still a very keenly fought contest to our mathematics round. I will start with you, Nana Katabra A Basic School. Before I do that, remember that for this round, all questions require 30 seconds within which to provide an answer. 1 attempt only, unless otherwise stated. The scoring format is the same. Preamble. Find the equation of the line passing through the following points. Find the equation of the line passing through the following points. To you, Nana Katabra A Basic School. 2, 5, and 1, 2.
Y is equal to 3x minus 1.
Y is equal to
3x minus 1.
That is correct. Woodbridge, same preamble. 4, 1, and 3, 3. New Pathways Academy. New Pathways Academy.
Y minus 9 plus 2x is equal to 0.
Y
minus 9 plus 2x is equal to 0.
That is correct. Your own question. New Pathways. Same preamble. 1, 2, and 4, 3.
Please, we have here 3y minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0.
No. Nana Katabra.
Y minus x plus 1 is equal to 0.
No. The correct answer. 3y minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. The next set of questions. Factorize. Factorize. Nana Katabra. 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. New Pathways Academy.
2
Okay, you've been bailed out. It's 2x plus 3 in one bracket and then x minus 5 in another bracket. Yours, Woodbridge International School. 3x squared plus 2x minus 5.
we have 3 x minus 1. I'm starting x minus 1 in one bracket and 3 minus 1 in another bracket.
That is incorrect for a bonus. Nana Katabra.
3x plus 5 in one bracket and in another bracket x minus 1.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. Yours. 4x squared minus x minus 3. Nana Katabra for a bonus.
4x plus 3 in one bracket and in another bracket x minus 1.
That is correct. The next set. Preamble. Find a number x if. Find a number x if. Did you get the preamble? Nana Katabra. 7 less twice the number is 20 more than 5 times the number. 7 less twice the number is 20 more than 5 times the number.
X is equals to -9.
X is equal to
-9.
That is correct. Same preamble. Woodbridge. 9 less 5 times the number is 1 less the number itself. 9 less 5 times the number is 1 less the number itself. Josiah.
X is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2. New Pathways Academy. 5 times the sum of the number and 6 is 2 more than the number. 5 times the sum of the number and 6 is 2 more than the number.
X is equal to -7.
That is correct. For the next set of questions, you will tell me if the statement I give is either true or false. You have 10 seconds to give an answer. To you, Nana Katabra, by the preamble to all schools, in the order of operations, the preamble, in the order of operations, Nana Katabra, exponentials are to be evaluated before brackets or parentheses.
False.
That is correct. Woodbridge. Multiplication is to be performed before division.
False.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. Addition is to be performed before subtraction.
True.
Is a true statement. Second set of questions. Still the same style. Nana Katabra. A triangle has 3 diagonals.
False.
Yes. Woodbridge. A pentagon has 5 diagonals.
False.
No, it's a true statement. New Pathways Academy. A quadrilateral has 4 diagonals.
False.
Yes, that is correct. So we are moving to the tossing round. First one. Evaluate 625 squared minus 375 squared. Yes, New Pathways Academy.
250,000.
250,000 is correct. Factorize completely. Factorize completely. X squared plus 4y minus 2x minus 2xy. You've all been bailed out. The answer, in one bracket, x minus 2, in another bracket, x minus 2y. The next one, simplify. In one bracket, x plus y, bracket closes, exponent 2, minus, in another bracket, x minus y, bracket closes, exponent 2. You've been bailed out. The answer is 4xy. We have 3 riddles to end the contest. If at any point you have an answer, you should ring for it. I am a 3-digit number between 100 and 200. And my first digit is the identity for multiplication. The number formed by my last 2 digits is an exact square, which is odd. I am myself an exact cube. I divide the numbers, Nana Katabra.
125.
That is correct. As my name may suggest, that's the second riddle. As my name may suggest, I am no egalitarian. I can be the difference in size, degree, or circumstance. I am the mathematics of an unfair world. I can have an infinite number of solutions. My nearest cousin is an equation. Less than, greater than, Woodbridge.
Inequality.
That is correct. Next one. I am the primary blocks of integers. Nana Katabra.
Digit.
That is correct. And that brings us to the end of the round.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Welcome back from the break. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. Woodbridge International School, 10 points. New Pathways Academy, 13 points. Nana Katabra A Basic School, 21 points. So after 3 rounds, here are the scores. Woodbridge International School, 62 points. Nana Katabra A Basic School, 63 points. New Pathways Academy, 74 points. Contestants, we are at the very top of this contest. A crucial round to decide who takes the final ticket to the final of this year's edition of the CWBB, proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. We've gotten to the Pepsodent Power Round. So, contestants, 10 questions, 60 seconds to provide answers. If you do not have an answer to a question, I escape. I start. In which year was Nelson Mandela released from
1990.
Correct. What is the name given to the Islamic holy month of fasting?
Ramadan.
Which Sustainable Development Goal talks about human settlement?
Sustainable Goal 11.
Correct. Where is the headquarters of the International Monetary Fund?
Washington, D.C.
Correct. Who was the governor of Ghana between 1949 and 1957?
Gerald Creasy.
No. What name
Commander Hill McLean.
No. What name
Pass.
is given to organisms that feed on bread?
Pass. Mode.
In common years, how many days make a year?
26 and 265 and half days.
No. What is the feminine of emperor?
Empress.
That is correct. Nana Katabra. In which year did Nelson Mandela die?
2009.
No. What determines the start and end of the Islamic month of Ramadan?
The moon.
Correct. Which Sustainable Development Goal seeks to promote peaceful and inclusive societies?
Escape.
Which country is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice?
Nigeria.
No. Who was the governor of Ghana between 1942 and 1947?
Gordon Godesberg.
No. What name is given to organisms that feed on eggs?
Ovivorous.
No.
Ranivorous.
No. How many?
Ovivorous.
You say?
Ovivorous.
That's correct. How many weeks make a year in common years?
52.
Correct. New pathways. In which year did Nelson Mandela become president of South Africa?
1993.
No. Which feast is celebrated after Ramadan?
Eid al-Fitr.
Correct. Which Sustainable Development Goal seeks to end poverty in all its forms?
SDG 3.
No. Which country is the headquarters of the International Finance Corporation?
Switzerland.
No. Who was the governor between 1919 and 1927?
Sir Alan Benz.
No.
Sir Gordon Godesberg.
Correct. What name is given to organisms that feed on frogs?
Pass.
In common years, how many days make a month in September?
31.
No. What is the feminine of priest?
Priestess.
Correct. What is the feminine of hen? What is the masculine of hen?
Cock.
So let me start with you. New pathways. Nelson Mandela became president in 1994. Sustainable Development Goal 1. It seeks to end poverty in all its forms. USA is the headquarters of the International Finance Corporation. Ranivorous. They are organisms that feed on frogs. Ranivorous. In common years, 30 days make a month in September, not 31. Excellent, you are laughing. You see what pressure can do. And the masculine of hen is cock. Then the last one would have been the special symbol that is displayed at the shop of a fishmonger. Answer without any mark, for no mark. Anyone from the crowd? It's a fish. We are all learning, School B, Nana Katabra. So in 2013, Nelson Mandela died in 2013. So the sighting of the crescent, you got it right, moon. Sustainable Development Goal 16, it talks about promoting peaceful and inclusive societies. Then the Netherlands is the country that headquarters the International Court of Justice. And then the governor, 1942 to 1947, Sir Alan Massour Barnes. Then you got this one right. Organisms that feed on eggs, ovivorous. 52 weeks make a year in common. 52 weeks make a year in common years. The feminine of duke is duchess. We didn't get there. The masculine of goose is gander. The special symbol or sign displayed at the shop door of a chemist. Would you answer for no mark? is the chemist, is the green cross. Green cross. And then our friends from Woodbridge. The special symbol that is displayed at the shop of an optometrist. An eye doctor. What's the special sign? Eye. The masculine of do is back. We didn't get the emperor, empress, you mentioned it. In a year, the number of days, 365, not 265. 1949 to 1957, Noble Aden Clark. So that one, you didn't give the correct answer. So.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really.
Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Nana Katabra A Basic School, 69 points. Woodbridge International School, 72 points. New Pathways Academy, 80 points. Nana Katabra A Basic School, this year, unfortunately, you were unable to make it to the final. But you did well, especially in the third round, the mathematics round. Unfortunately, it was not enough to push you to the final. Better luck next time. Woodbridge, it was a final push. You gave it your all. But today was not your day. Better luck next time. New Pathways Academy, you have found a pathway to the final, picking our final ticket for the CWBB 2024 final. Congratulations. Work harder. The final is obviously going to be a grueling one. It will be between St. Anthony of Padua, JHS, the next school complex, and then the school that won this particular semi-final contest, New Pathways Academy. I have been your quiz master. My name is Albert Abebu.